called?
I don't think I...
Did you or did you not call for a plumber?
Oh, you're the plumber. I really think I got it handled.
Look, buddy.
Steven.
Whatever. I got a call for an emergency plumbing job. Now, I don't just do this job for my health, so where's the problem?
No, really, it's okay. I think I fixed it.
What was that?
Oh, that was nothing. That was just my cat. She's really not feeling well today.
If I get dispatched on the call, I have to at least check it out.
Look, don't take this the wrong way, but, is there maybe a male plumber that could come out?
No. Sorry, I'm the only one available. Can you just show me where the problem is?
Look, I'm really embarrassed about this, but, I'm not really comfortable with you going in there.
Trust me, buddy, I've seen it all.
Stephen.
Whatever. I'm sure it's not as bad as you think it is.
You have no idea.
Do you have a problem with me being a woman?
Oh no, it's not with that you're a woman. It's...
But what?
Well, you're a very attractive woman.
Thank you. It's very nice of you to say. But I have a job to do. So if you could just excuse me.
No, Sorry.
Holy hell balls!
No. Do you want to go out sometime?
To the new
To his shot
of him saying sorry.
Okay.
Frickin' Rudolph.
Rolling. wait.
Okay, so stand here.
This battery's gonna be charged now.
Okay, so we're just gonna go from you saying sorry.